Welcome to this week's episode of Now I Know. So this week's episode is all about one-click editing. Well, here's a scenario for you. You need a video for tomorrow just to show an idea off. You have a great idea, check. You have a camera, check. Computer, great. Okay, let's go. But how, right? So here's FireCut to save your day. So with FireCut, you can automate boring stuff so you can spend your energy on more interesting stuff. So you can cut the ums and ahs effortlessly with just one click. Create chapters in just one click using the platform itself. Captions at just one click. So this is a great tool for content creators that wants to prioritize quantity. Yeah, with prices starting at $14 monthly and a 14 days trial. So you can take your video editing using Premiere Pro and make a ton of videos in just one click.